bahaghari, palayain ng 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 bahaghari.
Gender equality refers to the rights, opportunities, and treatment of individuals, regardless of their gender. It involves recognizing and addressing the historical and systematic inequalities faced by women and other marginalized gender groups, such as transgender and non-binary individuals.
Gender equality, known as sexual equality, means that everyone has the same rights, opportunities, and receive equal treatment, regardless of their gender. It's about fairness and ensuring that everyone has the equal change in life, whatever their identity as male and female or another gender. Gender equality is essential of building a thriving and peaceful society and for realizing the full potential in humanity.
Gender equality means that an individual's rights, responsibilities, and opportunities will be not determined by the sex they are assigned at birth, while gender equity is the equal treatment or treatment that might be considered equivalent in the terms of rights, benefits, obligation, and opportunities, and it is also about equality to each other gender, even they identify themselves female or male or other gender.
Gender equality means that everyone, regardless of whether they are a girl or a boy, has the same chances and opportunities in life. It's about making sure that girls and boys are treated the same way, have the same access to education, and can make their own choices about their lives. It's also about respecting everyone's differences and understanding that everyone deserves to be treated fairly, no matter what their gender is. This is also about creating a world where everyone has the same chance to be happy and successful, regardless of their gender.
Gender equality means treating everyone, regardless of their gender, with the same respect and opportunities. It is about ensuring that men and women have equal opportunities in education, employment, and rights. Gender equality contributes to the development of a fair and peaceful society in which all people can succeed.